welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel.
Time to eat again.
Oh, yes. Today we're going to show you how to make this burrata pizza. Look at that thing.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful. It's topped with fresh mozzarella, whole milk mozzarella, and burrata. And it also has some pesto drizzled all over it. Anyway, we're going to show you how to make this puppy. Let's get cooking.
Yum, yum.
All right, we're going to get started on a burrata pizza.
Burrata pizza. Yum, yum.
This is the dough we made. I'm going to have the recipe in the description. Show you how to make this New York style dough. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and stretch this out. If you're not an experienced pizzaiolo, you can use a roller.
Hey, there's an idea, man.
What's that?
Steak pizza, whole pizza.
Oh, that sounds good.
With mushrooms and peppers and
I know, they
some
make
sliced
that Philadelphia
Yum, yum.
cheesesteak. All right. Stretch this out about 16 inches. Now I'm using a pizza screen here. I found that cooking pizzas at home is very difficult, especially when it comes to New York style pizzas.
Yeah.
And I tried those stones, but you know, they take too long to heat up. And
This works good, just as good.
yeah. All right, I got my pizza sauce here. I'll have the recipe for this pizza sauce, the description below. Spread that around. Beautiful. All right, go ahead and throw some Romano cheese on there. Not too much. You don't want it to overpower. Same thing with oregano. You just want to sprinkle a little oregano on there. Ah, we got our whole milk mozzarella. When you put the cheese on a pizza, you want to make sure you go right to the very crust. You want to bite of cheese almost throughout the whole pizza.
Yeah, this ain't Pizza Hut pizza.
Hell no.
That's for sure.
All right. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna put the burrata on the pizza. Now, some people cook the burrata on the pizza, and some put it on after the pizza's cooked. So I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna put some on to cook with the pizza, and at the very end, we're gonna put this big ball of burrata on there. Now, if you're not familiar with burrata, burrata is a fresh mozzarella, and inside of it, it's got fresh ricotta cheese in it. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I'm just gonna put it about 8 pizzas throughout. You can break it up with your hands. It's all right. Beautiful creamy ricotta cheese. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Now what I did was I moved the rack on the very bottom because you want that bottom to cook, get nice and brown. And I put it on the highest heat, 550 degrees. It's really gonna set this pizza off. It's gonna make it New York style, I promise.
Yum, yum.
All right, we'll be back. All right, what I did was I removed the screen and I put the oven on broil to cook the top a little bit more. You got to keep an eye on it because it will burn.
Yeah.
All right, pizza's ready. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. Oh man, perfect. Look at that, perfect. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Let's see the bottom. Come over here, Dom. How does that look?
Nice.
Nice and brown.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna put this burrata on. You gotta make sure the burrata is room temperature. You don't want to take it cold from the refrigerator. I'm just gonna put this right here in the center. Oh man. And I got some cracked black pepper. Put on here. And I made some pesto.
Yum, yum.
Go ahead and squeeze that on there. Not very much.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that pizza.
Beautiful.
Oh, excellent.
Looks like a baseball in the middle.
All right, here you go. All right, let's cut up this puppy and taste it. First, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this burrata. So we got cooked burrata. I don't want to say raw.
I'll slice my finger off.
No. Oh, look at how creamy that is. Oh, baby. Let me get a spatula.
What a beautiful pizza.
Oh, yeah. Look at that pizza slice. That's beautiful.
All right, give me that. I'm hungry.
All right. Oh, man, this is hot. Look at all that creamy ricotta. How is it?
Very good. Perfecto.
Man. Guys, you got to try this burrata pizza. Like I said earlier, it has the cooked burrata that we cooked with the pizza, and then we put the uncooked burrata right in the middle. Two different textures.
Very good.
Absolutely gonna love it. Dominic's got a new toy.
Actually, I wanted to show this to you guys. My wife bought this for our son like more than 20 years ago.
Look at that thing.
And check it out.
I think I ran out of battery.
Oh, I just put new batteries in.
I love it. Awesome. Anyway, we're gonna dig into this pizza, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel. We have a ton of videos coming out, and anyway, it's getting close to the holidays, so we might slow up a little bit, maybe not. But
Happy holidays to everyone.
happy holidays if we don't see you before then. All right, guys, take care. Thank you. We'll see you later.
Thank you. Bye.